Hello everyone. Um, we have implemented the Signalr on our last video, but we want this to be in a singleton in a single instance service so that we can just reuse this and it will still be unit testable. Okay, so we're going to start by adding this in the service. So we're going to call this okay, wait for it. It's gonna be just a code and I signal our service. Okay, okay. So this I signal our service. How are we going to use this again? Here and yeah, okay. So we will okay. So I think we will put this in the background, right? So when we put this in a background and then it started to listen for some events, then it's going to call a handler of this event so that we can do whatever we want to achieve or whatever action that we want to do when we receive a message. Okay, so what we can do here is today we're going to add a background service here. Going to add a back BG service. So we'll call this Signal RBG service. Okay, so this is going to be a I hosted service. So we'll just rename this instead of background hosted service. Okay, and then we're going to change this to a hosted service. All right, and then we're going to implement the interface. So this is just a task that completed. Or are we just going to return this? That completed task. What is saying again? And then here, when when the hosted service starts, so instead of putting this code here inside our page, we're going to add this in our Signalr um, in our hosted service, and then we're going to get that and put it here. Okay, and then this one will be hub connection builder. Okay, so it will connect to that and then it will listen. Okay, but then we'll have to add this hosted service here, services that add hosted service, Signal R hosted service. Okay, so we'll have that. Okay, so can we try? We'll try. Okay, we'll try. So we don't have to go to that page, our Signal error page, for so that we can listen to the event of this receive a message. I think my teammates and oh nope, no connection could be made because the target actively refuses it. What? Is it because it didn't start yet? So okay, maybe we can do this. Wow. How can we wait for it? Okay. Hub connection builder retry. Okay, hub connection builder connect start start amount and close connection close start. And one more time. And I'm trying to convince myself that the way you feel is all I had. It could take a lifetime. Oh, wait, that stop. Said stop here. But we need to. I know that we need to wait for it to connect. Your scores. I'd rather die than spend this night here without you, and it's burning up in here. Even though the planet aside with origins, allow all. Should just be allow all. How do we do this again? If I could just see you for one more time, and I'm trying to convince myself the way you feel is all I had. It could take a lifetime to realize, but you're alright. That you said, I know that you're in contact. It's been the summer. Dang, it's burning up in here. So you can say use course here, and then so our course here will be this. Okay, so but we still need to auto reconnect. Okay, let's try again. So I want this. Hey, sorry for the font. Okay, so we're back. So it's having a problem here because the connection is not yet being made because this hasn't started yet. And then, yep, I think we have to wait, right? So while maybe like this, while hub connection connected, figure wait is connected. How do we know that? Signal R, hub connection builder, check if connected. Okay, so we can add an event here. Okay, so this is a hub connection. So if it's closed, then it's going to say that so if it's closed, so it's closed. Connection state, what is connection state? Signalr. Ah, start if needed. So the start is if needed. Start if needed. Connection state. If I could just see you for one more time. Yeah, how to do this? So how handle server is actively refusing. What should do to handle actively refusing? Okay, I would catch more specific exception shutdowns. Ah, okay, okay, so we have it here, automatic reconnect with automatic reconnect. All right, cool. So with automatic reconnect, so you sell the way. No connection could be made because the target machine actively refused it. Hey, we have an automatic reconnect, man. No connection could be made because um, I want to start the background service after start. Okay, start background. Start I hosted service when host start started. Okay, hosted service startup. I hosted service. Yep. Why does generic web execute last? I hosted. Okay. Hosted service. Hosted service. Start. Okay, so we can actually configure web host. Okay, we can try this. We can try that, and then we're going to remove this hosted service here. Then we're going to do this in programs, and then configure web services here. I hosted service. Our hosted service is this one. Signalr hosted service, and we're going to add that. Alright, so we need to add that. Okay, need to add that. Alright, okay. So I don't know yet what will be the behavior of this, but hopefully it will execute after our. Alright, we have it. It's executed. Yep, I think we have it. So we have here our console. Have here our name, our MSG um, atomic RC. Okay, Wolfgang. All right, God. All right, cool. All right, yep, that's it. We can instead of for the next video, we're going to create a handler that will be triggered if um, this message here or an event here happened. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks.